The Google Pixel 6a was released in July 2022 and it has already taken the smartphone world by storm. With impressive specs and a sleek design, the Pixel 6a is a force to be reckoned with. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the key specs of the Pixel 6a and explore why it could still own 2023 flagships. Let's start with the design. The Pixel 6a measures 152.2 by 71.8 by 8.9 mm, 5.99 by 2.83 by 0.35 in, and weighs 178 g. It has a glass front, Gorilla Glass 3, an aluminum frame, and a plastic back. It also comes with an IP67 dust and water-resistant rating, which means it can withstand being submerged in water up to 1 m for 30 minutes. Moving on to the display, the Pixel 6a boasts a 6.1-inch OLED screen with HDR and a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, giving a pixel density of around 429 ppi. It also has an 83% screen-to-body ratio and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The display also features an always-on mode. Under the hood, the Pixel 6a runs on Android 12 and is powered by the Google Tensor chipset, which is based on a 5nm architecture. It has an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-X1 cores clocked at 2.80 GHz, 2 Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.25 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.80 GHz. The GPU is a Mali G78MP20. The Pixel 6a comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, with no expandable memory option. The Pixel 6a's camera setup is another area where it shines. It has a dual camera setup on the back, featuring a 12.2 MP wide lens with f/1.7 aperture, 1.4 m pixel size, and dual pixel PDAF with OIS. It also has a 12 MP ultra-wide lens with f/2.2 aperture, 1.25 m pixel size, and a 114 degrees field of view. On the front, there's an 8 MP wide lens with f/2.0 aperture, 1.12 m pixel size, and Auto-HDR. The rear camera can shoot 4K videos at 30/60 frames per second and 1080p videos at 30/60/120/240 fps, while the front camera can shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. The Pixel 6a comes with a 4410 mAh non-removable battery that supports 18W wired charging and PD 3.0. It also supports Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6e, dual-band Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS and GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS positioning, NFC, and USB Type-C 3.1. In terms of sensors, the Pixel 6a features an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. Moving on to the design, the Pixel 6a boasts a sleek and sturdy build with a glass front protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, an aluminum frame, and a plastic back. It is also IP67 dust and water resistant, meaning it can withstand being submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. The device comes with a 6.1-inch OLED HDR display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, which translates to around 429 pixels per inch. It has an 83% screen-to-body ratio and features an always-on display. Under the hood, the Pixel 6a runs on Android 12 and is upgradable to Android 13. It is powered by Google Tensor, a 5nm chipset, and an octa-core CPU consisting of 2 Cortex-X1 cores clocked at 2.80 GHz, 2 Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.25 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.80 GHz. The GPU is a Mali G78MP20. For memory, the Pixel 6a comes with 128 GB of internal storage and 6 GB of RAM, utilizing UFS 3.1 technology. Unfortunately, there is no option for expandable storage via a microSD card. As for the cameras, the Pixel 6a has a dual camera setup on the rear consisting of a 12.2 megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.7 aperture and a 12 megapixel ultrawide sensor with an f/2.2 aperture. It also features dual LED flash, pixel shift, Auto-HDR, and panorama. The camera can shoot 4K videos at 30/60th frame per second and 1080p videos at 30/60/120/240 fps, and it has gyro-EIS and OIS capabilities. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera with an f/2.0 aperture that can shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Overall, the Google Pixel 6a packs impressive specs and features that make it a formidable competitor to 2023 flagships. With its powerful processor, high-quality cameras, and long-lasting battery, the Pixel 6a is a great choice for those in the market for a mid-range smartphone.